To set up the system cloner in OnePlus 15, first of all, we'll need to launch our settings. Next step is to move down and select security and privacy, then move all the way down to the system cloner. Select it and then click on get started. It will ask you to enter your current password, in this case my lock screen password like this, and then we need to set up the password for our other system clone. So now you will need to create the password for your clone, and that's the way you can access it. So create whichever password you like, but do not use the same one as your main lock screen. So we're gonna go for something like this. We have our password set, we can click on done and then enter our system clone. So now we are in the system clone. It's a different phone, kinda, like it's an entirely different system than our original one. Now to access both, let's lock our device, unlock it, and now to enter our original system, we'll need to enter our original password. To enter the cloned system, enter the other password. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.